for another math lesson. Today is Monday, May 18th. We're on lesson number 164, page 327, 328. Okay, let's get started with drills. All right, we're going to do the concept cards first. 1 dozen things equals 12 things. 1 day equals 24 hours. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And 1 minute equals 60 seconds. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 kilograms equals 1,000 grams. 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. 1 yard equals 36 inches. And 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, we are now working on the classwork side of our paper. Our page is 328, classwork side. Let's look at the top here. We're going to do place value to the 100,000s. So, 700,000, 6 10,000s, and 1,000. So if you look over here, you see it again. 7 is in the 100,000s place. The 6 is in the 10,000s place. The 1 is in the thousands place. And then you have the hundreds, tens, and ones. This is place value to the 100,000s place. Okay, circle the digits in the 100,000 place. So which one would be in the 100,000 place? So again, the first one is the 100,000 place. So if we look over here and we see the first one, that would be 2. So 2 would be in the 100,000s place. Okay, let's go over to here. You have 3 numbers and 3 numbers. Same up here for the example, 3 numbers and 3 numbers. So where is the 100,000 place? It would be right here, the first one. So the 7. Okay, and the last one, where is the 100,000 place? It would be the 1. They are in the 100,000 place. Number 2, write the value of the 6 in this number. So what is the value of the 6? It would be 6 O O comma O O O. What is that? That would be the 100,000 place. So the 6 is in the 100,000 place. Write the value of the 4 in this number. The 4 would be in the 100,000 place again. So how we'd write it again is 400, comma 000, just like we did this one. And the last one, what is the value of the 2? It would be in the 100,000, whoops, we don't want that comma, 100,000 place. 2 zeros and 3 zeros. So if you look up here, you see these place. See this one, and the 2 is in the 100,000s place. All right, number 5, write the number your teacher says. Each number has 6 digits. We're writing the 100,000 place again. So A, my number is 500,000. 500,000. 100,000 place. B, my number is 150,000. 150,000. C is 631,000. C is 631,000. Okay, D is 975,000. 975,000. Those are the numbers you are to write. Remember how the 100,000 place looks. Number 6, write the number of bills and coins needed to make this amount. Use the fewest pieces of money, so that would be the least. So, how many $5 bills do I need to make $9.63? I would need one $5 bill. How many dollars? So I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I would need 4 $1 bills. How many quarters are going to be in 63 cents? I would need 2 quarters because that would make 50 cents. How many dimes would be in 63 cents? I would need 1 dime because that would be 60 cents. And how many nickels? None, 0. How many pennies? 3. I would need 3 pennies because I would have 1 5, that's 5 plus 4 is 9. The change would be 50 cents with 2 quarters, 63 cents. Is that correct? Yep, 963 is what I wanted. Number 7, write the differences. Remember, we've got to subtract here. And when we subtract, we have to cross out. Put your 4 at top. Put your 10. And put your 10 here. We got to do it again here and put our 9 because there's more on the floor. Then we can subtract. 10 from 1 is 9. 9 from 3 is 6. 4 from 2 is 2. So I have $2. Don't forget your dollar sign. Decimal point. $2.69. Again, more on the floor here. Cross out my 5, put a 4 up here, and I got a 10 here. 10 from 9 is 1. 4 from 2 is 2. And 7 from 2 is 5. I have $5.21. Okay, now we have adding to do over here. 9 plus 6. What is 9 plus 6? 9 plus 6 would be 15. You got to carry your 1 up there. 8, 9, 10. Got to carry my 1 again. Okay, 0. Count 7 plus 4. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. My answer is $12.05. $12.05. Again, adding, just simple adding here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put my 1 above the 4, carry it. Put my 2 down here. Add again, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 up here, 3 here. Add 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1. And what do I get when I add all those? I get 15, so I just bring my 15 down. Okay, so my answer is 1,532. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go over the seat work side of the paper. I will just go over instructions and you will do this one on its own. This will be page number 327. Okay, let's get started. Okay, Denali is the only national park with a team of sled dogs that help the park rangers take care of the park. Circle 2/3 of the sled dogs. So what would 2/3 of the sled dogs be? How many sled dogs do you want to circle? That is 2/3. So you got to count all the sled dogs. See how many there are total, and then you want to circle 2/3 of the sled dogs. All right, let's go to number 2. Count by 4s with the sled dog puppies. So you're going to start with 4 and count by 4s. So remember, 4, and then you go to the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're counting by 4s, and you're going to end at 48. Start at 4, end at 48. All right, let's do number 3. Write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts for each group of numbers. Okay, so remember, you're going to use these 3 numbers, 3, 9, 27, and write your multiplication facts first and then your division. Remember, when you do your division, you start with the big number first. Okay, and remember, it's the opposite. The first one, you're going to do the opposite on the second one. So if you do 3 and 9 here, you're going to do 9 and 3 here. Remember, division, start with the big number. Okay, you're going to use these numbers here, 12, 10, and 120. Remember, division starts with the big number. Okay, last thing, number 4. Dad and Mom, Ben and Jesse, drove their campsite in Denali National Park. They left their home at 7 a.m. and arrived at 12 noon. How many hours did they drive? So you want to find out how many hours did they drive to get to Denali National Park. Okay, so what you would, when it says that, how many hours, you know that's subtracting. So you want to subtract the total number of hours, okay, which would be 12 noon, from how many hours did they drive, and they started at 7 a.m. So you want to subtract 12 from 7 to get your answer, and it'll tell you how many hours. So you will need to subtract 12 from 7 to get how many hours.